Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Vultr CLI for SSD VPS provisioning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Vultr website. Log into your Vultr account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Look for the API section in the side menu. Click on the API option to view your API details. You will need your API key for the CLI configuration. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Next, open your terminal or command prompt application. If you're using Windows, you may want to use PowerShell or command prompt. For Mac OS or Linux, open the terminal application. Now, it's time to download the Vultr CLI tool. Visit the official Vultr GitHub repository. Locate the latest release section. Click on the link corresponding to your operating system. This will initiate the download process. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Unzip or extract the contents if necessary. Depending on your operating system, you might need to move the Vultr CLI to your system path. For Windows users, you can move it to a folder like C:\program files\vultr. For Mac OS and Linux users, copy. After moving the file, open your terminal or command prompt again. To verify the installation, type the command Vultr version. Press Enter to execute the command. You should see the installed version of the Vultr CLI displayed. Now, you'll need to configure it for use. Enter the command Vultr configure to set up your API key. When prompted, paste your copied API key. Press Enter to confirm your input. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.